Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your JCPenney account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your JCPenney account, open up your preferred browser on your computer first, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar type in jcpenney.syf.com like this, and hit enter, or simply search for JCPenney login like this and hit enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see the jcpenney.com. Click on there. Okay, the page is not working. If the page is not working, let's go through the home page of the JCPenney. Now this is the JCPenney's home page. Now to log into your JCPenney account, enter your user ID over here and then enter your password over here. After that, click on secure login button to log into your account, and if you forgot your user ID or password, simply click on I forgot my user ID or password depending upon which one you lost. If you want to register or apply for JCPenney credit card account, simply click on register or apply to go to the sign up process of JCPenney. And there guys, this is how you log into your JCPenney account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.